Hello everybody, it is Adam from SoGo Survey, and today we're here to talk once more about vax, masks, and the space between. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. If you missed the first two parts of this series, you might start with the overview in part 1, which was high-level results and displays by question type, and then continue to part 2 and focus on ratings, segmenting, and crosstabs. Data cleanup. When you start to review your data, you'll sometimes notice that it's a little untidy around the edges. For example, you might notice that a large number of people did not answer a specific question. In that case, you might feel the graph looks a bit awkward. What to do? In the Omni report, there are multiple ways to customize answer option display. Exclude answers. Are non-answer answers important to include? Well, it depends. You might choose to exclude did not answer, but keep prefer not to say. Consider if you think that you can learn more about your participants by the questions they chose not to answer, keep the details. In some cases, though, it might make more sense to exclude. Exclude answers. Keep in mind if you choose to exclude an answer option, the totals will be recalculated. For complete transparency in your final report, it's important to highlight these modifications in footnotes or other clarifications. Merge answers. Another option that can help to tighten up your display is merging answers. Merging is commonly used when reporting on rating questions to highlight all positives together and all negatives together, like grouping 1 and 2 and 4 and 5 on your 5-point scale. This makes the result easier to read. Sort answers. To make a longer list of answer options easier to review, you might consider sorting answers. While alphabetical order may make the most sense for participants responding to the question, it's not as important for those viewing the report. Instead, choose to sort by descending or ascending order. Customize the color palette. Whether you need to match a corporate style guide or simply to provide better visibility and accessibility, you can choose from a set of default palettes or customize your own. Compare this look to the view on the sort answers slide, the same question with answers sorted and colors updated to multi, one of the default color palettes. Choose the right graph. Switching between multiple types of graphs and color palettes can help you to highlight the story you want to tell with your data. Plus, depending on your question type, you can add a statistical widget, a trend graph, or a word cloud. Share dynamic reports. Ready to share a report while your project is live? Think before you share. If results are shared too widely while responses are still coming in, there's a chance that you might bias future results. One more piece to consider. Should those viewing the report only see specific slices of your data? For example, maybe you're sharing results with the head of the client success team, so you want her to see only data relevant to that team. In this case, you might apply a filter before sharing results. Once you finalize and save your report, you can email it directly to others or generate a dynamic link. The shared report will be updated as results come in. You can also choose to set a password, allow recipients to download results, and allow or block any modification of saved filters. Download reports. All wrapped up and ready to present a static report, you can create a PowerPoint or Excel report right away. As you create these reports, you're downloading native graphs that can be modified as needed within their respective programs. Final thoughts. Remember that you've run your reports for a reason. Make sure your data is clear and easy to understand. Just need raw results, export in the format of your choice from data. If you want to learn more, we have a full blog on our website, or you can watch some more of our YouTube videos or tune into some of our podcasts. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and subscribe to us on YouTube. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode, and I hope you have a wonderful day.